part 2. So this little visualization is going to utilize our 999s because I love it so much. So that's about awakening. It's about being alive. It's about being human. It's about transcending all the BS on the planet. So it's about really opening up our minds, seeing the truth, and refusing to be a malfunctioned human being, refusing to be under a spell, refusing to be bound by the poisons on this earth, refusing to be bound by things that do not make us human. I do not want to be human 2.0. I want to be a human. So what I was going to do was basically it's about releasing mind control. It's about increasing soul compassion. It's about opening up our minds to the glory of the universe. It's about owning ourselves on the planet, owning our protecting our genome, protecting our DNA, protecting our lifeblood, protecting our every cell in our body. That's the intent. Let's see where it goes. Okay, so breathe. Run that central meridian. Increase that energy to the frontal cortex, this little area up in here. We're increasing the area to our frontal cortex. Running your central meridian can actually increase energy to every muscle in the body. I've done that with kinesiology. I sort of do it as a bit of a party trick just because I can. Okay. ESR points, so halfway between the brow and the hairline. Just holding those points for a few seconds. Okay, 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. Okay, increasing conscious energy. Okay, let's get firstly the oxytocin going. Oxytocin's about love. Oxytocin's about care. We know that hugging increases our oxytocin, breastfeeding, sexual energy, they all increase oxytocin in our body. Happy, healthy sexual energy, that is, of course, oxytocin. I release any and all spells in my body. I choose to be human. I release any and all bonds of government that I do not consent to. I choose to be human. I release any and all poisons and toxins from my body. I choose to be human. Release any and all pain and punishment, trauma associated with toxins. I release any and all pain and punishment and traumas associated with any spells my conscious brain has been under. I choose to be human. I choose to be human. I choose to be human. Let's check that. Oh, there's something else. Okay. Is it the malfunction? Is it the spells? Is it the bonds? It's the poisons. Okay. So the brain's in wanting to run away because of poisons. Okay. Our DNA is protected. Our DNA is protected and safe. Our DNA chooses to release toxins and poisons. Our DNA chooses anti-inflammatory processes in the body, allowing us to live free of encumbrances, live free of pain, live free of trauma. I choose to protect my DNA. We choose to protect our DNA. Okay. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. Okay, for a moment, hold the rear of the brain and the front of the brain. So it's pain circuits that's disconnecting the frontal cortex, our problem solving, from the rear of our brain, which is our survival. I release any and all survival patterns from my body. I choose to breathe. We are safe. We are strong. We are free. I choose to protect the lifeblood of my body. We are safe. We are protected. We are free. I choose to protect our genome. We choose to protect our genome. We are safe. We are protected. We are free. Okay. ESRs. Connect that left-right sides of the body. Hand on the navel. Rub just in underneath the collarbone. This helps to connect left-right sides of the body. Then hand on the navel. Rub upper and lower lip. This helps to connect the top and bottom of the brain. Hand on the navel. Rubbing the tailbone. This helps to connect the front and back of the brain. We are protected. We are safe. We are free. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. I release any and all fears holding me to government pressures. I release any and all trauma holding me to government pressures. I release any and all pain, punishment, spells holding me to government pressure. Emotional stress release points. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. We are happy. We are safe. We are free. I accept that energy from positive forces. I choose Christed light. I choose Buddhic energy. I choose angelic power. I choose harmony and peace on the planet. We are safe. We are connected. We are strong. We are warriors. Okay, visualize your feet. Visualize your feet on the planet and imagine roots going down into Mother Earth. Imagine roots going down into Mother Earth. Feel the energy then going from your crown chakra up to Father Sun, and imagine that Father Sun energy coming down and lighting our chakras from the crown to the brow, cleansing our pineal gland, which is being messed up by things like glyphosate, aluminium and mercury. Imagine that light going to our throat chakra, allowing us to speak our truth, allowing us to have soul compassion, allowing us to choose to be human. Imagine that heart chakra getting light from Father Sun and earthy energy from Mother Earth, allowing us to feel safe in our own skin, allowing us to feel safe with other human beings. Imagine our solar plexus energy. Solar plexus is your seat of power, your seat of compassion. It's to do with letting go of powerlessness, letting go of, once again, those spells, those bonds, those poisons, those toxins, those malfunctions that stop us from living our best life. Imagine that sacral energy, getting energy from Father, Son, and Mother Earth. Sacral energy is that sacred feminine energy, that sacred masculine energy, bringing it together so we are one. Sacral energy is about owning your place in the world. It's about choosing who you want to be. It's about owning that masculine feminine that's in all of us. And base chakra. Base chakra, the root chakra, it is about feeling safe, feeling grounded. Getting energy from Father, Sun down through all those 7 major chakras. Just see it as a beam of light coming down from Father, Sun down to the base chakra. Imagine us grounded and rooted into the planet, and that earthy mother energy coming up through all of those chakras, binding them all together, feeling that energy traveling easily from our crown chakra down to our base chakra. Father Sun energy, Mother Earth energy. And breathe. Beautiful. Thank you, everyone. Sorry if I triggered anyone by mentioning Sasha Stone or Kerwin Ray. I just love listening to people with that real world peace in mind, with that real soul compassion, with that world freedom. I love hearing people talk about that. There's going to be a better time on this planet. This divisiveness will fall. This negative energy will fail. As humans, we are protected, we are safe, we are together. So hugs, love, and energy to you wherever you are on the planet. Take care. Have a great day.